Good afternoon, dear children. Today let us learn Roman numerals. Okay, till now we were learning Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now we have to learn Roman numerals. In Hindu-Arabic numerals, we are using 10 symbols. Which are they? They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 10 symbols are used in Hindu-Arabic numerals. But in Roman numerals, there are only 7 symbols. And they are, see the 7 symbols here. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the 7 symbols used in Roman numerals. Okay. So here in this standard, that is in your 4th standard, we are going to learn only using these 3 symbols. Numbers using these 3 symbols we are going to use. So which are the 3 symbols to be used here? I, V and X. Let us learn first which these symbols represent which numbers. Okay. Let us see that one. So here these are the 7 symbols used in Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Let us now see which numbers these symbols represent. So the first one is, the first symbol represent 1. I is for 1. This V is for 5. This X is for 10. This L is for 50. This C is for 100. D for 500. And M is for 1000. So these are the symbols used in Roman numerals. So first one, I for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. So once again the 7 symbols, I represent 1, V represent 5, X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent 500, C represent 100, D represent 500 and M represent 1000. So let us see the numbers. How can we form the numbers using this? So in Hindu-Arabic numerals, we are using place value system. In Hindu-Arabic numerals, we are using place value system. But in Roman numerals, there is no place value system. So Hindu-Arabic numerals follow place value system, but in Roman numerals there is no place value system. Instead, there are some rules. So the first rule here is the symbol V is never repeated. The symbol V is never repeated. Okay. The first rule is this one. We have here in this standard, you are learning only symbols 1, I, V and X. So for these 3 symbols, let us form the rules here. The symbol V is never repeated. And the other 2 symbols are not to be repeated more than 3 times. I and X are not repeated more than thrice. Okay. So first rule is V is never repeated. Then the second rule is this I and X cannot be repeated more than three times. We cannot repeat it more than 3 times. Right? So let us see how to write these numbers. How can we form the numbers using these 3 symbols? So this one, the symbol is I. So for this 2 is 1 and 1. So we are repeating this I twice. 3, I is repeating thrice. Okay, 3 I's. Then 4, we cannot repeat this I more than 3 times. Okay, so for that we are using this one I, then it is V. The meaning of this is 4 is 1 less than 5. Okay, 1 less than 5. It is 1 less than 5. So this is 4. This one is now for 5 it is V. Can you say what is for 6? 6 is 1 greater than 5. So it is 1 greater than 5. Then it is 5. 2 greater than 5. Then 3 greater than 5. Now we cannot repeat it again. So it is 9 is 1 less than 10. So it is, this one is 10. Now let us see what is this 11. 11 is 10 and 1. 12 is 10 and 2. 13, 10 and 3. 14 is 10 and 4. 15 is 10 and 5. 16, 10 and 6. 17, 10 and 7. 18 is 10 and 8. 19 is 10 and 9. Then 20 is 10 and 10. Okay. The next one is 21. 21 is 20 and 1. 22 is 20 and 2. 23, 20 and 3. 24, 24. Then 20 and 5. 26 is 20 and 6. 27, 20 and 7. 28, 20 and 8. 29, 20 and 9. Then 30, 10, 20 and 10. Okay. Now let us write 31. 30 and 1. It is 30 and 2. It is 30 and 3. Now this is 30 and 4. It is 30 and 5. 30 and 6. 30 and 7. 30 and 8. Then 30 and 9. So up to this one you have to learn this year. So 1, 2, these are. So this is for 1, 2. 2 means this 1 is repeated 2 times. 3, I is repeated 3 times. Then 4. 4 is 1 less than 5. So we are writing 1 in the left of 5. I is IV. This is for 4. Then 5. For 6. 6 means it is 1 greater than 5. So we are writing I to the right side of V. So 6. Then 7. 7 means 5 and 2. So we are writing 2 I's to the right of 5. Then 8. V 5 and 3. Then 9. We cannot repeat this I more than 3 times. So we are writing 9 as IX. Okay. So this means 1 less than 10. 9 is 1 less than 10. So it is now 10 is X. 11, 10 and 1. 12, 10 and 2. 13, 10 and 3. 14, 10 and 4. Then 15, 10 and 5. 16, 10 and 6. 17, 10 and 7. 18, 10 and 8. 19, 10 and 9. 20, 10 and 10. Now this 21, 20 and 1, 20 and 2, 20 and 3, 20 and 4, 20 and 5, 20 and 6, 20 and 7, 20 and 8, 20 and 9, 20 and 10, or 10 is repeated 3 times. Okay. Now 31, 30 and 1, 30 and 2, 30 and 3, 30 and 4, 30 and 5, 30 and 6, 30 and 7, 30 and 8, 30 and 9. Okay. Learn these numbers.